I want to try something a little bit different. I saw this glass on TikTok a while ago, and I couldn't find it, and I finally found it. I got it for, I think, $5, some 5 or 15, somewhere in there. And it's full of 21 different drink recipes. So we're going to make them. But there's a catch. All of these recipes look awful. So we're going to make them, and we're going to try them. But for some reason, every single one seems to call for 4 ounces. I think we're going to turn that down to 3. And no, we got to keep it 4 to keep... Okay, we're just going to do it. And none of these have names, by the way. So we get to make up our own names for them. First one is 4 ounces of whiskey. This looks like a NASCAR glass. So we're going to go with the most NASCAR whiskey I own. The bane of my existence. My absolute kryptonite. Jack Daniels. I despise Jack Daniels. I got super sick on it once. And ever since then, Okay, 4 ounces of Jack. Oh, the smell. That's a lot of whiskey. Oh, boy. Hey. 4 ounces of Jack. 4 ounces of almond liqueur. We'll go with our Disaronno. I had to dig this glass out because it was the only thing that had 4 ounces on it. It was just a waste of really good Disaronno. I'm really super not looking forward to this. Which glass am I supposed to be reading? 4 ounces of peach schnapps. Ugh. Disaronno, peach schnapps, and Jack Daniels. God bless, what is happening? That's almost full. And we have to make it a little safe with 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Oh, what is this devil concoction we're putting together? Oh, boy. Mix ingredients into a chilled glass and serve. Okay, we're going to shake it a little bit just to chill it. Oh. Oh, my... Okay. We made a mess. Like singed my nose hairs. That is impressively bad. Where is this carbonation coming from? Nothing in this drink is carbonated. What is this chemical concoction? This is awful. Oh my God. It went right in my nose. That is really bad. Try it for yourself. So for that last one, I just had a couple of parting thoughts on it. I just got hit with another wave of that flavor, and do one of those things. I get chapstick. The closest thing to a saving grace in that drink was the Disaronno, and that didn't do much. Let's get to the next one. 4 ounces triple sec, 4 ounces of gin, 2 ounces of bitters, and 2 ounces of lemon juice. Okay. Move all my stuff around and get my ice. Alright, 4 ounces triple sec. My poor little triple sec, you deserve to be treated so much better. These are big portions. I'm just now realizing I could have halved them and everything would have been fine. 4 ounces of gin. 4 ounce gin. Spill half of it. 2 ounces of Angostura bitters. Gotta pull this off of it. And bitters is a hell of a flavor too. 2 ounces of Angostura bitters. Okay. 2 ounces of lemon juice. 4 ounces of this juice. I feel no confidence in this drink at all. Okay, looks like that's all the lemon juice we're gonna get. It's fine. I don't think it's gonna make a difference, honestly. Shake. Oh, that does not look appetizing as a color. Oh, boy. Oh, phew. not going to spill it all this time. It smells like rotten cinnamon. It honestly, the bitters is the smell you get. I think my eyes are watering. Wow, that is... Oh, that's offensive. That is really offensive. It tastes like herbal dirt. Yep, that is the worst drink I've ever made on this channel. That is impressively bad. Alright, this last one, we're going to cut the stuff in half because honestly I feel like I'm wasting my stuff. We're going to cut it in half. We need 2 ounces of scotch, 2 ounces of cognac, 2 ounces of port wine, which you're going to have to use vermouth, and a ½ ounce of cherry juice. Okay, let's do the thing. I love the pop. Okay, 2 ounces of our scotch, 2 ounces of our substitute port wine, now I've explained before I am not a wine drinker, so we have to use vermouth, and it is a fine substitute for what it's worth, I believe. And cognac, I'm not going to bust out the good stuff. I'm trying to avoid the really good stuff on this. If I had Dewar's, it would have gone in the thing instead of scotch. So we'll just use Hennessy. 2 ounces of Henny. Bang. We need an ounce of cherry juice. So I'm just going to try to pour. Okay, that's about an ounce. We shake. This seems to be the most promising. It's hard to find a drink that plays well with scotch, but this one seems to be the most promising. I don't know why... Jeez. Why all of these are so gross colored. It smells... I can't put my finger on it. What does that smell? Wet garbage and a dirty dog. All I really taste is the scotch. And you know what? That's fine. But, oh, no, there's the wine. Oh, boy. So the OG taste isn't bad, but the everything else comes to the party and it's not fun anymore. I don't have a visceral reaction off this one, which is so far easily the best of the group. But yeah, this is not good. It's not good at all. It's the best of the worst. Don't try these at home. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Where'd it go? I think it's over there. The glass has 21 different drinks on it, and this was the first 3. I am more than happy to make the rest of them if you guys like this video. These drinks are bad, but the video was fun. I'm teaching you stuff not to make. Look at it that way. So thank you for watching. Please do the like thing, and then do the thing where you share it out on your social media, and then the thing where you leave a comment, even if it's just to say some inane shit like Apex algorithm. And thank you for watching. Thank you to the patrons down below. I am on Twitter, TikTok, Patreon, Twitch, and that's it, I think. Locals, I'm on that too, and just search me everywhere because this beautiful face is everywhere you want to be.